Today, we're tackling a concern that many DoorDash users have faced, the issue of how to get rid of DoorDash signature-required delivery options. This concern, while specific, speaks volumes about the convenience we seek in our modern, fast-paced lives. Let's dive into solving this puzzle. Firstly, let's address why DoorDash might require a signature. Typically, this happens for orders containing alcohol or high-value items, essentially as a measure to ensure that the delivery reaches the right hands and conforms to legal age requirements. While necessary, it can sometimes be an inconvenience, especially if you're not home. Now, here's how you can potentially avoid this requirement. The truth is, the option to bypass the signature requirement isn't straightforward since it's often tied to legal or safety standards. However, understanding and navigating the platform can offer some solace. One approach is to carefully review the items in your cart. If you're ordering alcohol, for instance, the signature requirement is almost unavoidable due to legal age verification. For other items, consider checking the item description or the restaurant's policy, which might give you a clue about their delivery protocols. Another route is to communicate directly with your Dasher. Once your order is picked up, you're often given the option to chat with your Dasher. Use this feature to inform them of your preference. For example, asking if they can leave the order at a secure location. Note, however, that this might not always work due to the policies DoorDash has in place for specific items. Also, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer service. If signature requirements become a significant inconvenience, providing feedback to DoorDash can alert them to user preferences and possibly trigger adjustments in their delivery procedures. Let's not forget the settings in your DoorDash app itself. Dive into the app's preferences or delivery options. While there's no specific no signature toggle, ensuring your delivery instructions are clear and perhaps noting that you prefer contactless delivery might hint at your preference, albeit subtly. In conclusion, while getting rid of the DoorDash signature required option isn't always directly manageable due to the nature of certain orders, understanding why it's in place, communicating your preferences, and adjusting your order components can help minimize the chances of facing this requirement. Always remember to be understanding of the legalities and safety measures in place, which ultimately aim to protect both you and your delivery person. Thank you for watching. In this digital age, navigating platform limitations is all about understanding the policies, communicating clearly, and sometimes a bit of patience and flexibility. Do share your experiences or tips on handling delivery requirements. Stay informed and enjoy your DoorDash orders with ease.